All these things I bought from TKMAXX. Gosh, I'm orange, guys. Look at that, guys. Hey guys, I know my makeup look, it's not finished, but that's because I'm in the middle of filming another video, and meanwhile I wanted to use some of the products I bought. Thank you very much guys for coming to my channel. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for visiting, and I hope you visit again and you do subscribe and become part of our little family. And for those of you who are already subscribed, thank you so much for visiting again, and I really appreciate each and one of you and every comment and every thumbs up, because I really appreciate it. And the reason I'm doing YouTube is because I really enjoy it and I love experimenting, as you know. So what this video is gonna be about is all these things, if I can get them together in my hands, all these things I bought from TKMAXX. I'll tell you how much I paid for them, and I wanted to try them in front of camera and tell you my honest opinion if they're worth it, because there are some of the brands I have never heard about and some of them you've all heard about, and I'll tell you how much I paid for them. So without further ado, let's just jump to the video. The first thing I bought from TKMAXX in Brighton was the Sculpt and Corrector, and it was on discount, not because it's been used or open, it's just because the box is smashed. So I paid £5 and the actual price was £6.99, so it's not a big bargain, but still. And what we have inside is, oh, and we have the sponge. I didn't realize that actually. We have the sponge, guys. I was thinking I'm gonna blend it and this sponge. Okay, so this is the sponge. Oh god, oh my. Okay, we have, let's start first with the yellow. The yellow is under eye. Look at that. It says as well, it says MAC Studio, and it says yellow is for the under the eye. Oh, okay. What else is for the eye? There's another orange. So let's see in the box. The yellow, I'm not a professional beautician, so read. Brighten's purple undertones. Do I have bright purple undertones? I don't think so. And the other one is the orange, and it's correct dark circles around the eyes area. So I guess we're gonna use the orange one. Okay, we use the orange one. Okay. Alright. It's very nice and pigmented, I must say. Green was for correcting redness. Do I have redness? I think I have a little bit of redness here, so as a hairdresser I know that the green is for redness, so we put a little bit of green on my redness here. Oh, look at that. Okay, oh, here. This is the correcting. What else we have here is the highlighter, the concealer and the contour. Okay, so we have the highlighter, the concealer and the contour. So this is the contour. We're going to use that after we put the... Hello monkey, my dog is here. And this is the highlighter. We will need that after we put the foundation. Let's see what I bought for the foundation. But I have bought, and I always wanted to try Bare Minerals. This is the Bare Minerals palette, and that was $14.99. It's a glowing complexion essential kit, and it says it's natural health and it's Beauty Award 2016. So, and it's made with 100% minerals. Okay, what do we have in here? I got the medium. Hopefully that's the right color for me. I hope so. And we have the concealer, the mineral foundation, the warming bronzer and the mineral luminizer. So we have a dilemma here, because I got in the other palette highlighter and yeah, the highlighter. So I guess we're gonna do probably one side with one and the other side with the other and compare it. That's the best option, isn't it? So let's open that and see what's in there. We're opening that, and this is, oh, it has the kabuki brush. I needed one of them. Okay, this is how it comes. Let's pop them out. There we go. Well, this is a bit yellow. I don't know how it looks on camera, but to me it looks a bit yellowy. I think that's gonna be perfect for my summer look when I get a little bit of suntan. So now we're going to use the contour, the MAC Studio with the previous kit. I'm gonna use the dark one. So the dark one, what I'm going to do, like Kim Kardashian, I'm gonna do a 3 and 3 and 3. There you go. And now we'll blend it now with my big brush. Contour is done. Now what we're gonna do, I'm a bit reddish here, but it's alright. Okay, now we're going to do the highlight, the bronzer, and then the highlighter. The bronzer from the same palette, Bare Minerals. Bronzer is done, and I forgot to contour my nose, which we need to do. We're contouring my nose with the dark here. Okay. Gosh, I'm orange, guys. So this is definitely the medium. I cannot be the light one. It might be because I didn't put any foundation as well. So next time I know. Okay. Now is the highlighter, the last bit. Cannot see much. It's mostly like yellowish. It's not that strong. Probably if I change the brush. Okay. So it is the brush on one side. It's really sparkly. Tip of the nose. The next palette I got was a lipstick palette, which cost me $9.99. It's a liquid kiss proof lip cream, and honestly I have tried some of the colors. This is the colors you get, which are really nice and pretty, and it is quite bargain. But when I tried it, it was really sticky. So you don't want that, like when you do. So I'm gonna try it in front of you, and I'm thinking which color shall I put. I think I would go for this color. So this is the lip gloss. It's not sticky while it's drying when you apply it, so that's, yeah, that's what happens. And then look at that. Then it gets sticky. So now we tried that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm gonna apply my eyeliner, my mascara and the rest, and then we'll go back to the last thing left from TKMAXX. That was this palette I bought, Bling Bling, and this is very hard to open. It's Brilliant Profession is the thingy, and I really can't open this palette, and every time it's so hard to open it, and every time I have to use like this, my comb or something, which it's so weird. Okay, So this is the palette. It comes with a nice mirror, and it is so beautiful, seriously. And I will try in a minute all the colors. I'll swatch them after I apply the rest of my makeup. And oh my god, don't blame me guys, but look at that. This is so orange. I tried to put on my neck as well, but it's really orangey. Okay, I'll be back in a flipping sec. So guys, I put the eyelash strips, and I know this one is not perfect. I just find it so hard to apply eyelash strips. And I was going to say, from TKMAXX, I forgot to say that I bought this one for $3.99, the Strobing Illuminating Highlighter. So I'm not happy with this one here from Bare Minerals. We tried it together. It's too yellowy. It's just, I don't think this is the right one. I thought it's my brush, but it is not. So now we're going to try that one, and then we have another one as well. We got with the kits, the concealing kits. And why they make it so hard to open? Seriously, why they can? Okay, this is what's inside. Okay, this one is it's very creamy, and we do not like it. Let's see what it says. Doesn't say anything. Right, let's see the next one. The next one is very shimmery, which is nice, and this is the gold one. So I don't like the gold one, so we're gonna try to apply the middle one, the pinky one, on one side. Let's see. Is it better? Come on, what's wrong with these highlighters? Or something is wrong with my face. Alright, this one is alright. Got a little bit. But let's try the other one. Let's try the MAC Studio one, this one. We will try this one. Here, let's see. This is the highlighter, yeah. We'll try this one. Oh, look at that. And my phone is ringing. Just give me a second, guys. The creamy one. Well, I have so much highlight on my face. So, yeah. So, that's it, guys. Let's wrap. Oh, I was gonna do the swatch for this palette from TKMAXX. Yes, I was. There you go. So this is the palette. Try not to. And it is the Brilliant Metallic Eyeshadow Palette. It cost me $7.99 from TKMAXX. It's beautiful. The shades are so pigmented, you wouldn't believe. Of course, with the brush, they're like when you apply it on your eyelid, they won't be that pigmented. But if you use a wet brush, you will not believe how good it is. So I'm going to do a tutorial with this palette as well, because I can't wait to use it. I've used only some colors and I was really happy, and like I said, it smells unbelievably good. So yeah, so thank you very much for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and please give it a thumbs up if you did. And before you leave, please do subscribe, because I really enjoy doing this kind of videos and reviews, and all the reviews in these videos are my honest opinion. And feel free to look my other videos, because there is plenty. And yeah, I'll see you soon, and don't forget to smile, don't forget to say what you think, and to do what you like. Bye!